see, this is the blizzard of 2010. Today is February the 10th, I believe, which is a Wednesday. We got about 2 feet of snow probably total now. Not on the ground at the moment, but what they're calling for today, on top of the 18 inches or so we got last weekend. So as you can see by the gigantic piles, there's running out of room as to where to put the stuff. But yeah, this is a good time. So I'm going to start the shovel, and hopefully I won't get lost in all the snow.